CIET NCERT presents Audiobook of Mathematics for Class 2 entitled MATHMAGIC 2. This is the Chapter 14, Birds Come, Birds Go, from page 111 to 123. Page 111. Birds Come, Birds Go. This page has a picture of a pond surrounded by trees. There are a lot of birds of different shapes and sizes, both on the trees and also in water. A group of children, 3 boys and 2 girls, are watching the birds. One girl is saying, "Hey, there are 25 birds here." Another boy observes, "Look up! Look up! Some new birds are coming." Page 112. The conversation of children continues in this page. This page has 5 pictures. Let's begin reading this page. In this picture 1, a boy is holding some cards in his hands and is suggesting a strategy to count the birds. He is saying, "Let us count them using our cards." In picture 2, group of 4 children, 3 boys and 1 girl, are looking at a flock of 10 birds, and the girl is saying, "One 10 card for this whole group." The 10 card is a small yellow square with number 10 written at the center. In picture 3, a boy is looking at a flock of 6 birds flying in the sky, and he is saying, "And 6 1 cards for this group of birds." The 1 card is a small blue triangle with number 1 written at the center. The picture 4 shows 1 10 card surrounded by 6 1 cards, and a boy is looking at the cards. He is saying, "So these cards show 16 birds." In the picture 5, a group of 3 boys and 2 girls are thinking about birds. One girl is saying, "But where did they all come from?" Footnote: this could be a good chance to initiate a discussion about migrating birds coming from far-off places. Also encourage and help children to recognize patterns in which different birds fly. Page 113. This page has a question regarding birds. The steps to be followed for finding answers are shown with the help of 3 pictures. Let's begin reading this page. Question: soon 25 more birds flew in. Let's add to see how many birds in all there are now. For 16 plus 25 we write. The writing is explained in picture 1, which shows a table of yellow column for 10s and blue column for 1s. Above the yellow column 10 card, yellow square is drawn, and above the blue column 1 card, blue triangle is drawn. The table reads as row 1, column 1, number 1, column 2, number 6, and on the right side of this row, a 10 card and 6 1 cards are shown. Row 2, column 1, number 2, column 2, number 5, and there is plus sign in front of number 2. On the right side of this row, 2 10 cards and 5 1 cards are shown. Row 3 has empty spaces provided in both columns for writing your answers. Picture 2 shows the same table as in picture 1. However, on the right side of the table, the 1 cards are collected in a group of 10 and are shown converted into a card of 10. As a result, now there are 4 cards of 10 and 1 card of 1. A small bird at the extreme right is saying, "Putting all the ones together, we get 11 ones. Of those, 10 ones make 110, and we are left with 1 1. There is a small 1 written just above the number 1 in row 1 yellow column, and number 1 is written in the blue column answer space of row 3. In picture 3, the table of picture 2 is shown. The right side of the table shows 4 10 cards and a single 1 card. A small bird at the extreme right is saying, "Now putting together all the 10s, we get 4 10s. Number 4 is written in the yellow column answer space of row 3. Below this picture is written, "So the total number of birds is 41. Footnote: in Chapter 8, children would have made token cards. The same token cards should be used before children do written sums. Page 114. How many cranes and swans? This page has 3 pictures, and the conversation about the birds among children continues. Let's begin reading this page. In picture 1, 3 boys and 1 girl are looking at the birds in the sky, and the girl is saying, "There are 31 cranes and 39 swans." In picture 2, a boy is saying, "Let us find out how many swans and cranes there are in all." Below picture 2 is written, "In the same way we will add the number of swans and cranes." The picture 3 shows a table with yellow and blue columns. Number of swans is written at the left side of row 1. Number 3 is written in column 1. Number 9 is written in column 2. And on the right side, 3 10 cards and 9 1 cards are shown. Number of cranes is written at the left side of row 1. Number 3 is written in column 1. Number 1 is written in column 2. And there is a plus sign in front of number 3. On the right side, 3 10 cards and no 1 cards are shown. Number of swans is 39, so we will have 3 10 cards and 9 1 cards. Row 3 has empty spaces provided in both columns for writing answers. A small bird at the right side of the table is saying, "Also try adding without writing." Below this picture is written, "The total number of swans and cranes is dash." Page 115. This page has 3 pictures and the discussion on birds continues. Let's begin reading this page. Picture 1 shows 4 flocks of birds flying high, and following is written beneath the picture of flying birds. One morning, Suraj saw that out of 70 birds, only 26 birds were left. The rest had gone away. Question 1. How many birds have gone away? Picture 2 shows a table of yellow and blue columns. There is 10 card on the top of yellow column and 1 card on top of blue column. Row 1. Column 1, number 7 is written. Column 2, number 0 is written. And on the right side, picture of 7 10 cards is shown. Row 2. Column 1, number 2 is written. Column 2, number 6 is written. And there is minus sign in front of 2. On the right side, 2 10 cards and 6 1 cards are shown. Row 3 has empty spaces provided in both columns for writing answers. Below this picture is written, dash birds have gone away. In picture 3, father is sitting beside sad Suraj and comforting him by saying, Suraj, don't be sad. Let us hope they come back next year. Page 116. Practice time. This page has 3 questions. Let's begin reading this page. Question 1. Rahul scored 23 runs in a cricket match and Dhoni scored 69. How many runs did they make in all? The picture shows a table of yellow and blue columns on the left side. Row 1. Column 1, number 2. Column 2, number 3 is written. Row 2. Column 1, number 6 is written. Column 2, number 9 is written. And there is plus sign in front of 6. Row 3 has empty spaces provided in both columns for writing answers. At the right side, there is a picture of stadium with scoreboard showing the runs scored and 2 players on the pitch. Below this picture is written, they made dash runs in all. Question 2. Dema sold 48 shawls in a fair. Next day, he sold 17 more shawls. How many shawls in all did he sell? The picture shows a table of yellow and blue columns. All the 3 rows and columns are empty. There is also a small square box for writing the plus or minus sign in row 2, just in front of column 1. On the right side of the table is written, Dema sold dash shawls in all. Question 3. Bunnu rabbit can eat 29 carrots in 1 week. Munnu rabbit can eat 42 carrots in 1 week. Who eats more in a week and by how much? The picture shows a table of yellow and blue columns at the left side. All the 3 rows and columns are empty. There is also a small square box for writing the plus or minus sign in row 2 just in front of column 1. At the right side there is a picture showing 2 rabbits eating carrots and they are surrounded by lots of carrots. Below this picture is written, dash eats dash more carrots. Page 117. The practice time continues from the previous page and there are additional questions also. Let's begin reading this page. Question 4. Neha is 29 years old. Her mother is 58 years old. How many years older is Neha's mother? The picture shows a table of yellow and blue columns at the left side. All the 3 rows and columns are empty. There is also a small square box for writing the plus or minus sign in row 2, just in front of column 1. On the right side of table is written, Mother is dash years older than Neha. Question 5. Find the answers. A. Add 24 and 17. B. Subtract 27 from 32. C. Add 68 and 13. D. Add 19 and 39. E. Add 54 and 43. F. Subtract 59 from 73. G. Subtract 67 from 80. H. Subtract 27 from 43. I. Subtract 25 from 39. J. Add 48 and 38. K. Subtract 87 from 94. L. Subtract 28 from 76. Footnote: more such examples may be set for practice. Page 118. Catch the right bus. There is a picture of a bus stop on this page. 3 buses with different numbers are standing. A bus conductor surrounded by people is standing at a little distance from bus number 67, and he is saying, "Solve to get the bus number in each card. Match the card with the bus number and see who will sit in which bus." Below this picture there are 9 children, 4 girls and 5 boys, each holding a card with one question written on it. One card is solved as an example. Let's begin reading this page with the solved card. Solved card has the question 27 plus 22, and the answer 49 is also written in the answer space. Let's now read the remaining 8 unsolved cards. First card number 48 plus 19. Second card number 88 minus 21. Third card number 47 plus 28. Fourth card number 93 minus 18. Fifth card number 37 plus 12. Sixth card number 38 plus 37. Seventh card number 25 plus 24. Eighth card number 99 minus 32. Page 119. This page has the picture of conductor from the previous page and 6 cards with answers written, but questions missing. The conductor is saying, "Now you write your own numbers. Make 2 different cards for each bus." Card 1 is showing space for writing numbers whose difference will give 49 as answer. Card 2 is showing space for writing numbers whose addition will give 75 as answer. Card 3 is showing space for writing numbers whose addition will give 67 as answer. Card 4 is showing space for writing numbers whose difference will give 67 as answer. Card 5 is showing space for writing numbers whose addition will give 75 as answer. Card 6 is showing space for writing numbers whose addition will give 49 as answer. Footnote: more such exercises can be done to make children see how any number can be made using different combinations of numbers by addition and subtraction. Page 120. Cross me out. This page has 4 pictures showing a boy and a girl playing a game titled Cross Me Out with their teacher. Let's begin reading this page. In picture 1, a boy holding a pencil is seated at the floor and a game board with 3 rows and 4 columns is open in front of him. The boy is saying, "Come, today we will play Cross Me Out with our teacher." In picture 2, a girl is sitting in front of an open game board and is saying, "Think of some numbers between 10 to 50. Write them in the box. Do not repeat a number." The game board now has following numbers written on it. Row 1, column 1, number 39. Column 2, number 28. Column 3, number 14. Column 4, number 42. Row 2, column 1, number 38. Column 2, number 15. Column 3, number 24. Column 4, number 48. Row 3, Column 1, number 40. Column 2, number 37. Column 3, number 36. Column 4, number 49. In picture 3, teacher is saying, cross out the number you get by adding 27 and 12. In picture 4, the girl is thinking, 27 plus 10 is equal to 37 and plus 2 is 39. Footnote: parents can help children in playing this game. Call out simple addition sums like 18 plus 4. Gradually proceed to more challenging additions. Also give children turns to speak out numbers while parents do the crossing out. Similar games can be used for subtraction as well. Page 121. The game from previous page continues, and another story titled Chaka Chak Toli also begins in this page. There are 3 pictures on this page. Let's begin reading this page. In picture 1, teacher is saying, come on, cross out 39. Whoever crosses out all the numbers first will be the winner. Picture 2 shows the girl crossing number 39 on the game board. Below this picture is written, now you can finish this game for Razia. Ask your teacher or friend to speak out 2 numbers to add. After this, the word Chaka Chak Toli is written, and the picture shows a group of children, 2 boys and 2 girls, cleaning the park. One boy is holding a big open bag and another is pouring trash into it from the basket he is holding in his hands. Each girl is holding big brooms and sweeping the ground. Below this picture is written, Chaka Chak in Hindi means clean and shining. Chaka Chak Toli is the name of a group of children who work to clean their park. Page 122. The story of Chaka Chak Toli continues. Shreya collects the money and writes it in her diary. Help Shreya to find how much money is left at the end of the month. The picture below shows a page of Shreya's diary. Let's read the page from diary line-wise. Line 1, Diary. Line 2, October. Line 3, October 3, collected rupees 60. Line 4, October 7, bought a broom for rupees 18. Line 5, October 12, bought a phenyl bottle for rupees 25. Line 6, October 25, collected rupees 27 from the cards we made. Line 7, total money collected, dash. Line 8, total money spent, dash. Line 9, money left at the end of October, dash. Page 123. The activities of the Chaka Chak Toli continue on this page. Let's begin reading this page. Children of Chaka Chak Toli counted the number of trees in the park. The table shows picture of 5 different types of trees in one column and their number in column 2. The table reads as follows. First type of trees, 90. Second type of trees, 75. Third type of trees, 82. Fourth type of trees, 68. Fifth type of trees, 94. Question 1. First type of trees was more than third type of trees. How many more? Question 2. Draw the tree which is least in number. Question 3. Draw the tree which is most in number. Question 4. Children planted some more trees to make 100. How many more did they plant? Dash. The chapter 14 of total 15 chapters of the book ends here.